Aldi addict that's Jackie. I have hit 2 birds with my car today. I have a sick kid at home, but for some reason I just feel like it's gonna be my lucky day. My luck has to turn around, so let's get in the store, get my goods for the week, and hopefully there will be a brightness to my morning that has been lacking so far. And don't forget, at the end of this, I'll share with you my weekly meal plan, and any recipes I mentioned will be linked below. So let's get in the store and hopefully things look better. Okay, just a follow-up. My dog loved the pool, but she thought it was the world's biggest pool toy, but she did love it. These are super cute too, like little pool toys for humans. They're $30. I love this and wish I had a spot for it. So cute. It's $50. Okay, so we are going to a campsite this weekend to visit my dad and family members. And so we're taking a few dishes to a potluck, but I'm gonna get this to have as a snack on the way there. My kids and myself, we all love this. $5.89. Pita, $2.99. Daughter's lunch. Salsa con queso. My son has been loving this on his lunch. $1.99. Tortilla chips, $1.95. And salsa, $2.19. Yay, strawberries are only $1.99 a pound, and they look really good. So I'm probably gonna get 4 pounds. Look how juicy, red, and big. It's also my lucky day because they have cauliflower. I swear, anytime I want cauliflower, they're out. $2.59. Peeled garlic, $1.99. I wanted asparagus, but they don't have any. Dang it. We are out of lettuce, and I just like to have it on hand in case anyone wants a salad for meals. $2.95. Okay, eggs. At the very least, I know I'll use 7 this week to feed my dog 1 a day. $1.18. Really like that price. 2% milk, $2.65. My sick child at home, her only request was lemonade, so I'm getting her that at $1.49. Always use lots of butter, so I'm gonna get more, $3.18. Probably gonna get 2 actually. 10 pounds of potatoes, $4.99. We eat lots of potatoes. Okay, I need to get tomato sauce for a pasta salad I'm making, so I'm gonna get 1 for that. But then I'm also going to get 4 more for chili, so 5 total at 43 cents a piece. My daughter's requested chili this week, and I'm going to happily oblige because I love chili. I'm gonna get 2 cans of the fire roasted tomatoes at $1.09 each. Two cans of the dark red kidney at 76 cents a piece. Looking for the pinto. Oh, a giant can of pinto beans, $1.49. I think that's it for the chili. And then for my pasta salad, I'm gonna put a can of chickpeas in there at 78 cents. Green peppers for the chili, $2.15, and just a snack on. We ran out of peanut butter, $3.89. Zesty Italian dressing for the pasta salad, $1.89. Do you guys remember when these used to be 95 cents forever? Take me back. Black olives for the salad, $1.79. My vegetarian loves steak sauce. I'm gonna get 2 of them, $1.99. I thought we were out of ketchup last night, but I found it. We definitely could use more though. Don't want to run out as we're approaching summer and hot dog season, $1.75. I'm going to get a box of chocolate chip granola bars, $2.49. One of the dishes I'm bringing to the potluck at the campground is no-bake cookies. So here they are, so I need quick oats for that, $3.85. Apple juice, I'm gonna get 2 of them so I have enough to start next week too, $2.79 a piece. But my son asked for apple juice again. These are super cute ladies' hats. They're only $6.99. I really like this one. They have different bands on some of them. Super cute. Kids ones. They still have a bunch of the slides. Here's a quick setup pool. Summer dress. That looks pretty comfy. We do have a pool, and I like these loungers. I like that one. The Flirty Fiesta Elephant. Ooh. Different slip and slide items. Just starting to get warm here in Michigan where we can start thinking about this stuff. Aldi, all their camping items. Oh, a portable hammock stand. That's cool. Tub dish, drainer. I bought these for my dad one year. It's a Father's Day gift, part of it. Lots of cool things for camping here. We had the inflatable bed, but it was two twins that would go together for a full. Still use it all the time. Oh, look at this, a small portable chair. That is small. This seems like a great price. Helmets for $14.99. Gardening clogs. They have a lot of new things today. Multi-purpose cart. Okay, here's a cabana chair. Very pretty. Love the color. They're $40. Okay guys, I know this is a weird area to be excited, but I'm so happy that they have these back. I was worried because I went to multiple Aldis. I was worried they stopped making these or they're going to be discontinued, but I love them. They're so much cheaper than other places, but I'm happy they're back here. Okay, I need brown sugar, and since I always realize that I need more when I run out, I'm going to get 2 bags, $1.84. So the chili calls for beef broth, but since I'm making it vegetarian, vegetable stock, $1.45. Okay guys, I am ticked because first off, I need 2 boxes. They only have 1. But they switched from 16-ounce boxes forever to now 12-ounce boxes. They are the same price, but as soon as I picked it up, I knew it was lighter. It's 75% of what it used to be, and they're 12-ounce boxes for the farfalle and the tricolor rotini. Still 16 ounces for penne, which is nice. But come on, Aldi. So I guess I'm gonna get a box of the tricolor. I like the colors, and I'm gonna mix it with farfalle. So, you know, I'll do what I have to do. But why are they not 16-ounce boxes anymore? Well, it's not 50% off, but it's 30% off of $2.29 a pound. So that is pretty good, and I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy it all. I don't need designer purses. I need red stickers. That's what makes me happy. Okay, I'm gonna get these I'm gonna get these beef sirloin tips for kebabs. I love that they're already cut for me. Thank you, Aldi. So $7.62. Yikes. Good thing I'm saving on the chicken. Okay, so this is exciting. The manager just saw me grabbing all the chicken, and he said he has a lot more in the back, so he's bringing me 5 more packs. I did ask if they could be 50% off, and he said he doesn't need to get rid of them that bad, but he can still do the 30% off. So he's bringing me 5 more packs. I'll have 10 of them. I'm very excited because I need chicken in my freezer, and I knew this was going to be a good one. Ooh, those chickens look good. Nothing too new that I see here. I'm just pretty amped about the chicken, guys. If you wonder why I don't buy chicken, it's because I buy it when it's red sticker and I prep it and freeze it. Okay, getting hummus for Elsie's lunch, $2.49. Okay, $3.69 for water. I'm gonna grab a lemon. Just gotta dig for it a bit. Okay, I'm getting a couple broccolis, 97 cents. Easiest side known to man. Oh, these are a family favorite. I'm gonna grab a couple bags. Not the one that's taped in, but $1.99. Okay, so here is my haul for the day. It's gonna be an expensive one. Any guess? Oh, okay, even with 10 packs of chicken, I spent $158.58. I'm so thrilled. Honestly, this is the kind of high a stay-at-home mom gets. Good deals. Okay, so now that I got that massive chicken haul, I'm super stoked, and I'm excited to tell you my meal plan. We're having gnocchi. This is leftover from Christmas clearance. I bought frozen gnocchi of theirs. I saw it in my deep freezer. It sounded good, so we're gonna fry that with pesto, and I'm gonna make an Alfredo sauce, and we'll probably have the steamed broccoli with that. I wanted asparagus, but they didn't have it. Maybe I'll make the roasted cauliflower with that too. We'll see. Vegetarian chili. I use a Wendy's recipe that I'm going to link below, but then I basically just remove the meat and substitute for veggie broth, and my girls really like that. And then I make spaghetti noodles with it because my boys don't like chili, but chili is also really good on spaghetti. So that's how I make chili when not everyone loves chili. I was going to do steak bites, and that's what I wrote down, but I'm going to do the steak kebabs and probably the same marinade as my steak bites, make mashed potatoes, and I'll either have steamed broccoli or cauliflower with that. We also have sweet corn, and I'll probably make that at the same time. We got sweet corn at Meijer. It was a good deal and very fresh. I like it when it's in the husk, and Aldi unfortunately doesn't sell it that way. I'm making a spicy garlic chicken with steamed rice and steamed broccoli. This uses Korean chili paste, and I ordered that off Amazon. I'm going to link to the video that made me want to make this, but it looks so good, and I'm very excited. Instead of using chicken thighs like she did, I'm going to chop up my breasts and make like bite-sized pieces. We are going out to eat on Friday, and this weekend, I'm not sure exactly what we're going to do with it being a holiday weekend. I haven't planned. I know one day we're going to my dad's campsite. He's camping semi-close to us, but we're just bringing the pasta salad and no-bake cookies, and then there's going to be like a huge potluck style meal with a bunch of my family. So we're gonna go there on Sunday. I don't know what we're doing Monday or Saturday, so we haven't really planned this weekend, but this is the meal plan for the week, and I'm probably gonna have to do a mini haul to get through the holiday weekend, but that sounds fun to me. The spicy garlic chicken sounded and looked absolutely amazing, and I'm linking to that video right here. You need to check it out and see what I'm making. Yum.